Bunny, and I'm here today with
Cat.
And where are you, Dogman? Dogman.
Bark, 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 bark.
So newsflash: if you spend more than 10 minutes with me, you will become a fairy/elf person. We are all elves now. There's no reversing it. Today we are doing something that I feel like I have not done on my channel in years. We are going to do a challenge, a disgusting challenge. Are you ready to throw up? Right before she rolled into town, I was walking around the store shelves as you do, and lo and behold, what did I find but these things, okay? Now, I have had many a pleasant experience with Crayola silly scents. I feel like they started off with only good scents a couple of years ago, which made a lot of sense. Because you would like markers that smell like cherries or lollipops, grapes, lemons, or peanut butter and jelly. That's getting a little questionable, right? So they used to always be these cute, happy little creatures, right? Yes, well, not anymore, okay? Because new board of directors at Crayola, quite apparently, is actually Satan, okay? So Satan and his little demons sit at a round table and pitch ideas where they make markers that smell like old rotten tooth. Hit me with
boot.
one. Work boot.
Flat tire. Oh, moldy sponge.
Why? What did we do to deserve this?
Look at his pustules coming out of his sponge hole.
Cough syrup?
Yeah.
That actually sounds good. I'm down for that one. What's a scallop? Scallion. What's a scallion?
It's like a stinky onion.
This is onion.
You might like onion.
What's the difference between onion and scallion?
They're same.
Okay, well, we're gonna be smelling a garden variety of onions today.
Smoke.
Like, yeah, rotten fruit, pizza.
Dirty potatoes.
What does that mean?
Bacon.
What is the different, like, who knows the specific smell of dirty potato versus just potato? Do you know what I mean?
Bacon sounds good though.
Yeah, honestly. Okay,
Dirty
grass
laundry?
also. What does dirty laundry smell like?
Like smelly socks. Barbecue grill? Who like...
Okay, that
Oh,
sounds
I
good.
know what a barbecue grill smells like.
Yeah. We're just gonna show you the back so that you can have some new sleep paralysis demons. Look at this. Okay, what is the dang difference between old shoe and work boot? Why? Why? I don't know. I could literally go on about this all day and all night. But we are gonna have a smell off. We're gonna see what we can identify. We're gonna see what Dogman hands us. He's just gonna hand us markers to smell. We're gonna smell them, and we're gonna see if we can identify them. Why did I throw the boxes behind my back? We're probably gonna need that as some sort of guide. Okay, hit us with something that's gonna make us bomb.
Ooh, they're both pink. I don't like that shade of pink.
Wait, am I just grasping the felt
Oh,
tip?
we can't look at it?
Yeah, you can't look, so you don't
Wait,
know.
did you cheat? Now you're gonna know what's ahead of you.
No, there's a... Ooh, this one's good.
Oh, what?
This one's cotton candy.
I didn't get cotton candy.
Almost.
What did I?
This one's not cotton candy. Strawberry.
Barbecue grill. Bacon! Oh!
Cherry. Strawberry.
Wait,
cotton
let me
candy.
It's
let
a
me
fruit.
take a huff. Strawberry.
I think it's watermelon.
Oh,
Oh
it
my
is
god, yeah, watermelon. Okay, we both failed.
Yeah.
This one was bacon. I thought it was barbecue grill.
This is watermelon.
That's watermelon. What's the other side? Smoke? Coconut. Mmm.
Well, now you know.
Why was it gray?
Oh, I just colored my nose gray.
You
This is-
silly.
Wait, are you just gonna give me the nasty smells every time? Wait, am I supposed to smell this side?
Yes.
Okay. Did you?
Ugh.
I don't want whatever you got over there. Oh my god, make it stop. The scallion. Scallion or onion?
Yeah, you got that.
Scallion?
It's onion.
This one's flat tire.
Onion.
Nope. Keep going. They're both terrible.
Cough syrup?
Nope.
What did you?
I don't know. It's so like, it's like chemical poison.
Perfect.
You got it.
Wait,
Actually,
okay,
you
you're
got
like-
it. You're on the route. It is chemical.
Shoe? Chemical?
No, but you wear it.
Is it dirty laundry?
Yes.
That does not smell like dirty laundry. I don't know what.
What does it smell like?
That's like dirty laundry if they worked at a chemical plant.
Does it smell like a butthole?
Try it.
Smells
Curious.
like burning rubber
Take a
bands.
huff.
Oh my god, that smells so good. This smells like
Ew.
leather. I love this
Something's
smell.
wrong with her.
I understand.
It smells like leather. Wait, look, he's modeling the tuberculosis therapy glasses today. Oh, this smells so good.
Ew.
I will wear this like a
I didn't think it was too bad. It was definitely chemical.
Okay.
All right, this one you don't have to close your eyes for because they're like exactly the same color.
Oh,
But
okay.
they're totally different, and I'm not sure who got what.
Cough syrup.
It was not cough syrup.
This stinks.
This is like, this is like some kind of
Ugh.
mild fruit.
A
I'm
rotten
literally now-
margarita.
Swap.
Swap. Swap. Swap. I feel like it's like, oh my god, what is this? Cheese.
Try
Rotten
again.
fruit.
You got it.
Oh god, it smells more like cheese.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, that one's actually a good one and I still can't identify it. I'm
That's
like,
strawberry.
What?
what?
What you thought last time.
Bull! Crayola!
What kind of strawberry smells like that?
What kind of strawberry
It
smells
smells
like that?
It smells like Play-Doh that's been rolling around in dirt.
Ooh, the other side is bananas.
I don't like fake banana. I like real banana.
This one is like just a muted scent.
Like
It
black
honestly
now?
smells like nothing.
Oh yeah,
It's like they're both they're dormant scents. Hit us with the markers. I've got an armpit. That would have been a good scent, Crayola armpit. Why didn't they think of that
Ooh.
one? That would have been great. I love that smell.
chocolate.
No.
Oh,
Root beer.
You
Work
got
boot.
it. Work boot.
Really?
And root beer.
Smell work boot.
I will, gladly. That smells like dirty laundry, but a little bit spicier. Like, I really recommend this one as a scent.
Something's wrong.
Like, honestly, the bad ones are
You
so
seem
good.
to love the bad
Yeah.
ones.
I do, yeah. Honestly, the bad ones are a treat.
Oh, this barf is exceptional.
I bet you'd eat those Harry Potter barf gummies.
It's a good year for barf.
Or jelly beans.
Oh, okay.
This smells like old root beer.
Almost. Well,
This
actually,
is
no, not at all.
this is some sort of food, but like cracker crumb food.
This is like chocolate.
Oh, is this tooth? Is that why it's food?
Nope. They're actually not bad. These are both not bad
Chocolate?
ones.
Oh
Caramel?
my god. Okay, this
Caramel?
is nasty. I'm looking.
No.
Ew. Okay, I just cheated. Look and smell.
I don't know what that is.
Think of nuts.
Brownies,
Nuts.
peanut butter, and jelly.
There you go. Ew, wait.
Yours is weird though. I don't
Jelly's
understand
on
how
that
they
other.
could actually capture this
my
smell.
God.
Ice
Think of
cream.
nuts.
This is ice cream.
That is ice cream.
Oh, because it's like vanilla. And it also smells like babies.
No.
So that's kind of
That's
bad.
like hazelnut.
Yeah, I don't know how you could capture ice cream.
Oh, look, I thought of something. We can just go like this. And then
And
we're...
stab people in the eye.
No, peanut butter and jelly. I love elf ears. Do you love elf ears?
Yes.
I feel like this is the hottest summer accessory 2019.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not wearing $6 Amazon elf ears, what are you wearing? Not Amazon elf ears. We have to... Wait, you're a professional. How do I make these match my flesh?
Oh, you have to paint it with Pax paint.
I don't have that.
I do.
Well, good. When I visit you in California, we can have... Ooh, we can have cat paints my ears. The video. That sounds like a really odd habit. And by habit, I meant hobby.
I don't. Oh, that smells like Lysol, like lemon.
I feel like
Right.
this is supposed to be
Lemon lime
good.
Sprite.
Oh, wait. I know
Lemon
what you
lime
got then.
Sprite.
I know what you got.
What?
You got lime, and yours isn't good at all.
This smells so good. What the heck is this supposed to be?
Well, actually, I guess it could be. It's scallion, so it's neutral.
Of course you would like it. You love onions.
No, baby, you hated me banana.
Oh, well,
I was like, there's no way. I'm like, look, that smells so good. Like, how could it be scallion?
Smells like nothing.
Wait, what did you get? A lime. Ooh, I want to
It
smell
smells like
lime.
Lysol to me.
Look, I literally said, I'm not going to smell all these markers. And then I'm like, ugh, give me all the markers to smell.
Does it smell like Lysol or something?
Oh my god, heck yes. Look, I should put this one in between my boobies and then I can smell it all the
it's
time.
gonna be your air freshener.
Yeah!
Lysol air
Why has
freshener.
nobody made a boob freshener? Just imagine, you just
Boob
tuck
freshener.
little paquettes. Hottest new invention, 2020. Show them your diabolical plan. For green.
Matches you so well. All right, each of you get 2.
You're gonna give me
it,
old crusty tooth. I know it.
Why would it be green?
Well, now I won't do it.
Now you're gonna get crusty tooth.
No, it's not. Why would crusty tooth be green?
What color would it be?
White
Yellow.
or yellow, yeah, or cream or black.
Yeah,
Or gray.
black.
Yeah, it could be black
Black or
like a
gray.
cavity or brown.
What is this that you're doing? He's just been over here for 5 minutes
Yeah.
going like this with 4 green markers. Wait, are we supposed to do this 2 at a time or something?
That's onion or grass. That's grass. That's grass.
Ooh, I'm so excited for grass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, no, that's not grass. That's not
scallion,
Grass. That's
it's
not
onion.
grass. That is butts.
That's scallion.
Ugh. Oh god.
Let me smell it. Let me smell it.
You're gonna vomit. My eyes are teary.
Oh, that's onion. That's onion.
I really hate this experience.
What is it?
Old rotten tooth!
Hey, is it better than that or booger?
What does booger smell like?
I don't know, but that'd be a booger color.
I don't want that either. Okay.
That's grass. This is grass, definitely.
Ugh.
What is this? Stop sniffing the tooth.
Man, the tooth
Stop.
does
I
just
can
smell
smell
like
it from
garlic.
here. Stop.
This-
Stop.
I
Stop.
thought it was onion.
Oh
It's-
God. It
This
is
is
like
grass.
hitting
Yeah.
me right in the chungs. I don't know what this is. Let's swap because I want to smell grass.
Oh, this is pleasant.
Oh my God. Grass smells like a candle.
This is like sherbet.
Oh no. Dude, literally.
Green apple?
Okay.
I don't
Conspiracy
believe it.
theory. All the sweet ones literally smell like they were like left in the sun for a year. And then they sold them to me.
This one is a treat.
Oh, okay. Wait, I feel like you're pranking me right now.
No.
I don't like
This
it.
is
Work
not
boot.
a. Oh,
Work
this
boot.
is. I know pickle.
Work boot.
No,
Pickle.
that is pickle.
Old
Yeah.
shoe.
You love pickles. That is not a bad one.
This smells bad.
That is, you see.
It smells like leather rotting in the sun.
Yeah, this is not
Oh,
good. What is
let me
this?
see, let me see. Hold on, let me see.
Did you give a bad one?
Yeah.
Are you like, this is good?
It's pizza, but it doesn't smell anything
That does
like
not
it.
smell like pizza.
Uh-uh.
Pizza that someone ate and regurgitated.
You guys, I'm honestly nauseous. Wait, I don't know why I was just literally like, he's like, let me see. And I'm like, I
this
know what
one's
this is going to be. I know
great.
what this is going to be.
Oh, this
Oh.
one doesn't smell bad. This one's good.
Okay, we're breaking. Oh, God. Garlic. Why would
This
you
one's
give me-
coconut. Here, this one smells good.
Like, I literally just open mouth gagged.
Ew.
That's because you
That
got
one's
your
better.
Nosferatu ears on.
That one's better, right?
Yeah. Do you remember the summer when everybody was like, I'm gonna put Crayola products as makeup and I'm gonna color markers
Oh,
onto my
no.
eyeballs? I don't. Actually, I like that one. Coconut can live. Okay, hand me something before I vomit.
Here's
Are you gonna give
one.
me a vomit one?
Well, these are both not the best. But
No!
they're not terrible.
Wait, okay, because I am
No!
nauseous.
Tire.
It is tire.
Is this smoke?
No.
That's
Sick.
dirty potato, dirty something.
Yeah, you got it
You're
right
right,
on.
you're
Yep.
right. Wait, we should have had a ding ding for everyone. Okay, please tell me. Are we ending on a good note?
These are good ones. These are the Orange and Blue Dogman Special.
Ooh, peaches.
Ooh, blue raspberry?
Oh yeah, that one's good. But it's also faded and it's kind of dirty too. I don't
Blue
like that smell,
raspberry?
actually. What is
Yeah.
this? I don't even have a guess.
This one's blueberry.
Oh, orange. I should have known.
Yeah. Oh, I love orange.
I still
That
have the
makes me
tears in
want
my eyes
juice.
from almost puking.
It makes me want Jamba Juice again. Okay.
cream soda.
No.
This smells like pizza shoe.
No.
Stop.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Oh God, I don't even have an educated guess.
This smells like a pizza shoe.
Wait, is this a nasty one?
This is one of the world's favorite flavors.
Strawberry.
It is one in the Neapolitan dream. Strawberry.
Strawberry again? Strawberry? Is
These
this
aren't-
moldy sponge?
these aren't
I know
bad.
This is moldy sponge.
Ooh.
Soap. Soap.
Blue raspberry.
Soap.
I think it is something
Detergent?
like that. It's fresh air.
Oh, this one's lollipop.
Oh. Should have called that poison pop.
Grape.
Just smell the other side of that one.
Soda. Cream soda.
You
No,
thought
I
it was
like
this
it.
a minute
I don't
ago.
Cotton candy.
No. It's cherry.
Oh. No.
I don't know
I
what
don't
the
like
blue
that.
is.
I don't like it.
Blueberry or something.
Yeah. It smells like a fart.
What is it?
Blueberry.
Oh.
I think we're delirious with markers. Is this it? Is this the end?
There's maybe one more.
Oh my God.
Ah.
I don't like
It's
it.
leathery.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Smoke?
Yeah. And yours is not pleasant either.
I can tell.
Let me smell.
Ugh,
This
I
is
don't
smoke.
like it. Oh, I think I know which one it could be.
Ew.
Is
Is
that
this work boot?
Yes.
Oh God, I can't distinguish one bad from another bad anymore. Everything just smells bad. Even the good things have started to smell bad.
Ooh, ooh, painted your leg.
That's exciting. Wait, can I draw?
Freckles?
Wait, this is a bad one. I almost drew on my skin with work boot. Oh yeah, look, this is a new makeup tutorial.
Right. In today's torturous makeup tutorial, we're using work boot on our nostril holes and freckles. Then we're doing our eyebrows with smelly gym sock. On your lips should go barbecue grill.
If I thought I could handle moldy sponge, I would smell it. I think he's given us just...
one. He hasn't given us that one.
No, there's also mushroom, cheese.
I like mushroom. Cheese wouldn't be bad, but
Okay, pumpkin pie sounds good. Wait, we
Yeah.
got ice cream, so he must have handed us pumpkin pie somewhere.
oh gosh.
I don't want... Is this moldy sponge?
No.
Grape.
Licorice?
Bing, bing, bing. Well,
I
not
love
you. No,
licorice.
yours isn't licorice. Hers is grape. But yours isn't far from it.
Oh my god, no wonder I think this smells so good. Cough syrup. It literally smells like licorice though. I love licorice. Black licorice jelly beans is the best flavor. Fight me. Right, we're back. We took a brief 1 a.m. walk. We let the camera cool. It was overheating. Is my hair dying?
Well, yeah, you went in the humidity.
Wait, where's our markers to sniff?
Alright.
I'd like to also say that as soon as we walked in this room again, the pungent smell
of the markers.
of markers pervades the air.
Okay, here they are. Haha. And more orange and blue.
Oh, I don't like that. It smells grassy.
Oh my god. Melted wax. Literally, I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
No.
Mushroom.
No. Mushroom is not bad.
Moldy sponge.
Yeah.
She got the one you abhor.
Oh, that smells good.
What? How do you
I like
like
that.
all the nasty ones?
I don't like all the nasty ones.
Oh, it's not that bad actually.
Yeah,
It's just kind of like
It
cleaner.
smells like soap. Yeah. Please tell me it's good.
This will clear your
I feel
nose.
like there's
no,
still
you can
so
look.
many
This
bad.
is just a palate cleanser.
Oh, coffee.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
That's a good one. Is this the last one? Is this the end?
There's one more.
One
They're
more
not-
for both of
they're
us
not
or
bad.
one more each?
One more for both of you.
Well, do we have one more to smell collectively?
I don't
Well,
like
I
the
mean-
color.
I don't like the color of these either. I don't like this. Mushroom.
Snot.
Oh, this
Ugh.
one's good.
You don't like that one? Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
This one
Yeah.
smells like leather.
I'm surprised you like that one.
I
Well,
like
actually, I thought you'd like that one. What am I saying?
What is that?
This is one you've been fearing.
Smoke?
No.
Dirty
You already got
shoes?
that.
Dirty shoes.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Doesn't smell like mushroom.
Not in the least.
See?
It smells kind
Oh,
of spicy.
no. Ugh, yeah, that's like a spicy mushroom.
That's not even bad though. And this one is bona fide good. This one's good. This is a good smell.
Let her see what it
This
is.
is a good smell.
Oh, it's not bad, but leather something.
It's an old shoe.
Oh, that smells good. I don't
Yeah,
like that.
it doesn't smell old. It
You would
smells like new
old
shoes.
and moldy sponges.
Yeah. Hey everyone, I designed a perfume. It's based off of moldy shoe and dirty sponge. Like we started with such happy peppy energy
Now
and
we're like,
markers.
what
just-
is this?
Yeah.
Get it away, it smells.
Oh my gosh, wait, did you ever do this when you were a kid?
Yes,
And you,
I play lightsabers.
Yep. Look at that. Classic old times. Well, anyway, I'm gonna build a lightsaber. Ooh, I could be, I always wanted to
Don't
be one of
stab
those.
me.
I always wanted to be a baton twirler. And today is not that day. But, thank you, Cat. Thank you,
Dogman.
Dogman. Wait, are you gonna say your classic bye? I'm always like, you have to say bye. Bye. I feel like this was fun until it stopped being fun through fatigue and nausea.
What was the worst?
Oh yeah, the worst.
Why didn't we get pickle?
Oh, you know what? I got pickle. I got
Oh,
pickle.
Old Rotten Tooth was pretty gross.
Yeah, I literally don't know. I don't know personally which one's worse between scallion or Old
gross.
Rotten Tooth.
Yeah, barbecue wasn't great either. Barbecue girl.
I don't think I smelled that one. But it's like scallion. Like I got onion, I think too. And onion was like, it was an onion smell, so it wasn't pleasant. But scallion was like, take onion and multiply it by 100. It was just so, I think that's the one that turned my stomach. Wait, are you bursting in to say goodbye? Goodbye. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, don't forget, check out her channel. She does amazing videos, special effects. I just filmed a video.
Oh yes.
Yes. Wait, it's called Phantom
Curiosities.
I
We're
couldn't think of the
doing
word.
haunted objects that I turn into with makeup, and she's the first guest telling her scary haunted doll stories.
It's amazing. So be sure and check her channel out as well. Also, don't forget, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. I love you guys so much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!